Hey guys, welcome back to Crain Country. It is beautiful today. It rained yesterday. It's been pretty bad in some places of Oklahoma, but it has cooled down like 15 degrees or something like that. Like crazy amount. It's actually not miserable to be outside. And so we took the kids to the park. I'll put some little clips in here just for our own family memories because we're also using this as kind of like our home videos. But we came home to a chicken in the garden. Look at this little guilty dude. What do you have in your mouth? A tomato. Chicken police. I need the chicken police. We got a chicken in here eating our tomatoes. Can you help me get him out of here? Come on, chicken police. No, get out of here. Okay, chase it out of here. Come on. Looks like it's time to trim some wings. No! Get it, bub. You almost got it. Oh, we got it. Okay, take her out there. I think that chicken may have been after our cherry tomatoes. There's still some left, but there's a lot missing that we're not missing before. What is it? Oh, look at our poor watermelon. I hope it didn't get our big one. Okay, the big one is still safe. Nope, got another one. Oh, will you help Bubba get in?
That one should be still good.
We'll see. I don't know. Well, it's pretty deep right there. I think this one might be a goner. Did the chicken earn its keep? Thank you. So not only do I have to worry about chickens in the garden, I have little boys who like to pick stuff that's not quite ready yet too. Yep, those are still green. Those are still green. Do you like it? Oh, got a bug on his face. Telling you guys, the mosquitoes are awful. How is that? This kid could eat his weight in tomatoes. He loves them. So our cucumbers, while they're still producing, have slowed down a lot. Especially like right over here, you can tell it's a lot smaller and starting to die out compared to the rest of the stuff. And I know that that's probably a lot due to the heat. I have some butternut squash over here though that's still doing really well. But I don't really know how to tell when it's ripe because I've never grown it before. And so like I know they start out green and stripy and now this one's like a yellow. How much longer do I wait? Yesterday we were out in the garden and there was a teeny tiny baby bunny in our in-ground garden, and while I know that bunnies are often considered a garden pest, it was too cute to get rid of. So I'm sure we'll see it around, but we kept it around. It was so cute. Uh-oh, somebody's unhappy. What's wrong, big guy? So you just want it? He wants to eat all the tomatoes.
Go pick your tomatoes. Go pick your tomatoes.
And he's off.
Favorite tomato picking spot right here.
Oh.
Show him how to pick a yellow one.
And of course, Big Brother will feed him all of the tomatoes because he doesn't like them.
Here, come pick these ones right here.
I don't know if you guys could hear that, but there's coyotes over there and you can hear them howling.
There they are, they're close.
Yeah. Not great for our chickens, but it is fun to hear the country sounds. You can hear the locusts, the frogs. To some people it's noise, but if you live out in the country, it's It's part of the quiet.
No.
All right. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye,
Bye.
guys.